Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text-to-speech on your video in CapCut. So to do this you want to create a new project or use your old project. So I'm just going to do a new project right here and upload a video to the CapCut from my gallery. Now when I chose the video I'm just going to click add, and after that it has been added to the CapCut. You want to write a text on it. So the text, for example, something like that. Now let's change a text to something different. For example, this one. Now you want to click that check, and you can edit however you want to, wherever you want to put that text. And now when you click on text, you can see here at the bottom text to speech. So you want to click on that. Now you will select a voice. So let's choose, for example, female, and let's choose chill girl, for example. And let's click that, and it basically will generate the speech. And yeah, you save the video, and that's it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.